Welcome to our channel. Today we how to begin by ensuring your Bluetooth projector is fully charged or plugged into a power source. Turn on the projector by pressing the power button. On your phone, navigate to the settings menu. Look for the connections or Bluetooth option in the settings. Tap on Bluetooth to open the Bluetooth settings. Ensure that Bluetooth is enabled by toggling the switch to the on position. Wait a moment for your phone to search for available devices. Once the search is complete, locate the name of your projector in the list of available devices. Tap on the projector's name to initiate the pairing process. If prompted, confirm the pairing request on both the projector and your phone. Once successfully connected, you will see a confirmation message on both devices. Now, exit the settings menu on your phone. Open the media application that you wish to use for projecting. Select the content you want to display, such as a video or presentation. Choose the cast or screen share option, typically found in the apps menu. Select your Bluetooth projector from the list of available devices. After a moment, your chosen content should appear on the projector screen. Adjust the projector's focus and positioning if necessary for optimal viewing. You are now ready to enjoy your projected content directly from your phone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.